Hey guys, Steve here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. We've changed up the challenge just a little bit. It's an absolute blast. This month we're going to be using a bolt action rifle, chambered in .22 long rifle, and this is Ruger's American with a threaded barrel. Everybody, as always, will be shooting the same rifle with the same ammunition so that we can keep it equal. We are shooting, once again, at 20 yards at these little guys here, and there are 8 of these lined up across. And your job is to shoot them off one at a time, obviously. And for everyone that is left up there at the end of this challenge, you're going to be penalized by 10 seconds. Just like that. If you happen to hit the wood and something falls off, you're actually disqualified.
Disqualified.
We've thrown in one trick shot. As you can see here, there's a ball on top of a can. If you happen to hit the can first and they both fall off, that's a 20-second penalty. Your job is to shoot the ball first and then the can. I'm gonna give it a shot now and see how we do. .37.42, not a great time. I certainly think that can be beat, but it's a fun challenge. It's something different. Gives us all the opportunity to try out a bolt action. Sorry lefties, it is a right-handed bolt gun, but I will tell you, Alex, the manager here, is a lefty, shoots lefty, and actually prefers a right-handed bolt gun. So if you do it right, you can actually use that to your advantage. Thanks guys, hope you enjoy the challenge. Take care.